Alright, here's a brand new, mint in the box, sealed Lakewood PH10 personal heater. I just got this because I thought it was one heck of a deal, only 10 bucks, and it's mint in the box. These are kind of rare. I never really see them anywhere. I haven't seen one of these ever except on Toy the Fan Man's YouTube channel. He has one. And then he also has a deluxe version called PH10-39, which is, it's like this heater except it has 4 fan blades and it has a thermostat as well. It's the deluxe version. But I believe these were sold through like the early 2000s. Let me see if there's a copyright date on this. No. Unfortunately, it is made in China. But for a made in China heater, it is really good. Let me just get my knife. Open this up. Tape all the way. All right. Sorry, let me get this out of the box. Here it is, mint in the box. And no, this is not yellowed, it is just the way it shows up on camera. It's not yellowed, I promise. It's just the way it shows up there. No, it's not. But, this is pretty heavy too. But yeah, this is a pretty neat heater. Let's go through the manual real quick. PH10. Light putty with light gray accents. Coil wire element. 4-position rotary switch. Power indicator light. Overload light. And caution indicator light. This is just your basic safety instructions. You can pause to read some of this if you want. It does have a 1-year Lakewood warranty. You also have the Spanish instructions as well on the other side. I don't know why my camera is doing that. It's not yellowed. It's brand new. Oh, there we go. That's a little better. Or not really. Do this core tie here. Here's the dial. Fan 750, 1500. And the 2-blade fan and heating element. Alrighty. So also has a tag on the plug. It's like don't use in bathrooms and don't cover the heater. And there's the power light. And let's turn this guy on fan only. And it sounds like a Lakewood rock fan. 750 watts. New heater smell, gotta love it. That was kind of hard to turn with my hand. And 1500 watts. I think it's getting pretty warm. For a heater, it puts out good heat. As you notice, it does not have any tint over switch. It does, however, have overheat protection. Put on the fan to cool the elements. I might take a picture of this and put on the thumbnail, because this really is not what the heater looks like. It is not all yellow like this. It looks exactly like on the box. But overall, I think this is a nice find and a great heater. Once again, that is the mint in the box Lakewood PH10 personal heater. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button. If you didn't like it, let me know why in the comments so I can improve. Thank you for watching, and more videos to come soon. Thanks. Bye.